So this is one of my all-time favorite exercises to open up Pec Major, Pec Minor, and the fascia across the front of the chest so that your shoulder blades can sit back in their best functional position to take tension off of that area between the shoulder blades. So I'm on a long foam roller, just a nice smooth one here. And I'm just gonna lay back. Things to think about: keep your knees out for balance. That'll keep you from tipping one way or the other. You're gonna take your low back and just press it down against the foam roller. That's gonna keep you from arching, which is a compensation mechanism. From here, take my hands. I'm gonna put the back of my hands on the ground, and I'm just slowly going to slide up, keeping the back of my hands, if I can. You might not be able to on your first try, keeping the back of your hands on the ground. And I'm going to feel that stretch across as I'm hitting all of those different angles of Pec Major. And as I pass 90 degrees and get up into this angle, I start to feel the stretch into Pec Minor. So today's a good day. I can keep my arms on the ground. Sometimes I'm a little bit tighter and I'm floating up here. So you can go all the way up. Typically, once you get way up here, you're stretching the lats more. Some people are tight in the lats, some aren't. Today I'm a little bit tight in the lats on the left side. You might not be able to see. So all the way up and slowly back down. So I don't know if I said this yet. We call these the snow angel. You might be able to figure out why. These are nice, slow stretches, just allowing the body to open up, to relax. And again, stretches, you should feel them. They should be, 2 out of 10 stretch. You don't want to really aggressively stretch through this area. If you feel an area where you're tight, you can just rest. Take some nice belly breaths in that area. You might start to get some tingling in your hands. The brachial plexus, all of the nerves, arteries, veins that run to your fingers, run right under Pec Minor here, and they can get compressed under there. If you're getting tingling, don't hang out there for 2 minutes. You can just slowly move through that area.